Up we go. And that's it. What the how fast do I need to be for that? Tell me now. Well, I have absolutely no idea. Got 10,000 bolts though.
His amoeboid army defeated, Dr. Nefarious had no choice but to flee Blackwater City in disgrace.
You've not seen the last of me.
Well,
I will have my vengeance if it takes 1,000 years.
also wrong.
Dr. Nefarious was right about one thing. He and Quark would meet again, and sooner than he realized. For a true hero like Captain Quark will stop at nothing in the name of justice.
What? I held my breath.
I have to do that in 2 minutes 10. The first one was apparently, I had to do it in 2:40. This one's 2 minutes 10. Oh, that sucks. You insane, game? 2 minutes. Oh man, that seems impossible. Under 2 minutes 10. God, that's hard. Let's go. Alright. Alright. Oh, Jesus! Oh, my Jeezy. Alright. I'm so gonna lose if I don't start killing things.
Barbecue
Well, this is interesting. Got here in 30 seconds, so it's possible, I can assume. Oh god, that's close. Go faster. Move a lot faster, please. I need to hurry. Wah! No, I can't make it to that. Come back quicker. Quicker. Thank you. Quicker. Go. Alright. Bye, chumps. Oh crap. Bye. Hurrying up here. Bye. I think I'm nearest the end. I must be at least halfway. Whoa, wait a minute. Oh, right, yeah, that's what I'm supposed to do. I remember now. Time to fight Grime or whatever it says. Oh my god, I've just realised I have no health left. How the hell have I managed that? I'm so fucked. I'm actually dead. I'm never going to be able to do this. One hit and I'm dead. I'm so fucked. There's no chance. All I need is something to randomly attack me and I'm dead. And it's game over. Bye. How did I lose all that health so quickly though? That's what I want to know. And I'm running out of time as well. I know I'm vaguely near the end. Vaguely. Very vaguely. Alright. I need to, like, die. Now. Oh my god, it's right up there. Go. Oh, I've missed it! Well, that's unfair. How the hell? 2 minutes 10, you insane. That's absurd. That is insane. Jesus. It's going to take some getting used to beat that. Man. 6 seconds. I've got to get sick. I've got to make 6 seconds in that. How the hell? I thought I was going really well. Oh, this is a problem. Up we go. Stop hitting me. This makes things easier. You are a cunt. Bye. Go. Faster. Moving. Thank you. I've got it first time, so I think that might be where I lost my 6 seconds. I think. I can't say for certain, but I think that's it. Pretty sure. It must be. It has to be. It's the only reasonable explanation. Okay, come on. I think I got a little bit more health than last time, and I think I'm much faster. Go, go, go. Goodbye. Go. Going. Whoa, that was close. I could have went for that and I would have died. Oh god. Oh god, please not me. Go. Go faster, please. I don't have time. I actually don't have the time. Go faster. 10 seconds, go. Yeah, that's how it's done. Awesome. Thank you. Yay, I got both still. Whee! Don't know why I did that. Ignore me. Ignore me! Anyway. Right. Onwards with the show. Or the game, or whatever you want to call it. Right. Is there some new armor? Is it? I think there is. I'm not sure if there is. Is it after this level, or... No, it's after this level. It must be before Planet Dax. That makes sense. Yeah. We'll just go along with that. That makes sense. Right, what new stuff is there? There's the sock gunners, bit hard reading factor. I'll wait. I got my mini guys of doom, so I can wait. I can wait a long time. What else? Oh my god, I've just realised what is in this level. Yes! New weapons! That's what's here. 3 new weapons.
Incoming call. Oh no.
Clank, Bubby, you're killing me!
Excuse me?
I'm trying to make a picture here, and Mr. Big Shot Star is nowhere to be found.
I am currently occupied with a mission of galactic security.
Right. I get it. You want a bigger trailer? Done. You want a daily oil massage? Done. I need my star on the set pronto, capiche?
No.
You're breaking up.
You know, I can see you, Weasel Boy.
Oh, yeah? How about now? He'll figure something out. We've got work to do.
Yes, we do. Thank you, Ratchet, because I don't like that level. It's very annoying and difficult. And major plot developments happen there. It'd be horrible if it happened now. Wow. Look at this place. Is there any new weapons here? There. Oh, that's what I'm buying. Oh, okay. Okay, let's see what's in the quarters. There are 5 titanium bolts. Shit, there's a lot. Okay, and how many skill points are there? Blow up all the underwater boxes. Oh yeah, and then get all 101 sewer crystals. Okay, I'm saving up for that. Sewer crystals I'm not getting straight away. I'm doing that later because you can't do it without the slingshot. And I know that for a fact. So...
Skid, what are you doing here?
My code name is Shadow Dude, bro. Black Ops are my speciality.
Yeah,
you guys could use my help.
Thanks, Shadow Dude, but I think we've got this one covered.
All right, I'll just take my hacker and go back to the ship.
Hacker? Oh, well, you know, on second thought, I think we'd like you to join the mission, Shadow Dude.
Awesome! This is gonna be sick!
Yeah, which you're probably gonna throw up. What weapon do I feel like using today? Let's try the plasma weapon. Seems to kill these guys quite nicely. You would agree? though I got hit just then, which sucks. So maybe you won't be. Maybe it'll person for the job. Maybe, in fact, I've decided that it will be this thing instead. Holy Jesus. Holy lovers of the Jesus. Yes, I love you, Cyclo. No. Oh, Cyclo is awesome. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's almost to be 5. Bolts, bolts, bolts. Wow, things just like exploded. Give us like all your bolts. All your bolts belong to us. It's gonna be like awesome. Win! Yeah!